480 Fly is the latest debut from Galeon Yacht's class-leading shipyard. Blending performance and style, Tony Castro's cutting-edge design delivers a unique and sophisticated yachting experience. Up here, we have a best-in-class Flybridge extending fully over the cockpit, offering 2 unique and separate seating areas, along with a fully functional wet bar with grill option and a best-in-class helm. Experience beach mode in all her glory. You've got a port and starboard bar with the balconies. We have a aft platform wet bar and a wonderful seating area for best-in-class entertaining on the 480 Fly. Galeon 480 Fly offers unmatched space with oversized windows that bathe the interior in natural light, connecting you with your environment. Galeon 480 Fly offers unmatched performance and unparalleled luxury. To learn more, stop into your local MarineMax store or visit galeonyachts.us or marinemax.com.